Guys, Captain Emergency here. Welcome on board and welcome back to aerofly FS 2020, people. Okay, so if you're wondering why I've been playing aerofly a lot, it's because my RFS has been bugging out recently. So tell me in the comments, do you want me to make more RFS videos if there's bug in it? If there's bugs and stuff in it, or do you just want me to carry on making aerofly content? Comment that down below. But anyway, today I'm doing some more aerofly. Because, as you know, this simulator is literally at its peak with engine noises. So, I'm going to go to San Francisco and I'm going to take off a few planes and I'm just going to let you listen to the engine noises. And I want you guys to comment down below what is the best engine noise out of all of these planes. So, first plane is the 777. Next one is the 747-400. Then we got the A380 and the A320. And finally, the Learjet 45. So we're gonna start off with the A320 here. We're going to go to, I don't know where to go actually. I'm gonna pick an airport. I'll see you back. Okay, guys, I've picked an airport. We are going for San Francisco. Boom. I'm gonna take off on one-way 10 left. So here we go. Now all I'm going to do for you to test the takeoff sound is I'm just going to put the throttles up slowly and just turn the sound all the way up, or turn the sound pretty loud, not all the way up because otherwise your ears are going to die. So I'm going to just turn the sound up now and I'm going to be quiet and you're going to listen to the takeoff noise. Okay, boom, that's alright. Let's do this. Okay, guys, that was that. What did you think of that? Rate it out of 10 in the comments. I want you to tell me your favorite engine noise and maybe even your least favorite. That was the A320. I reckon that sounded pretty nice with the engine roar in the background and everything. That sounded amazing. Truly amazing. Now, I'm going to skip out the bit. I'm going to go get the next plane ready, set up, and we're going to be good to go. Okay, guys, the next plane is going to be the A380 in the ANA Cala livery. Here we go, I guess. Here goes nothing. Okay. Now, this plane, it does have nice engine noises. I've heard it before, but I don't think they sound as good as the A380. I mean, the A320. What did I just say? Okay. So here we are, again, in the highly detailed cockpits of the aerofly aircraft. And I guess we're ready to take off. So, I'm about to just floor the throttles. And I'm going to turn the sound up for you people out there. So let's go. Sound's going up. Okay, let's do this, boys. Okay, guys, that was that. That sounded pretty good, I think, in my opinion. Now I'm gonna take the autopilot on. Why isn't it going on? Anyway, who cares? I'm gonna go get the next plane set up, and then we're gonna move on to our final plane. So let's do this. Now the next plane is the beautiful plane, an amazing plane, the 747, the queen of the skies. Let's go. Okay, so we are obviously taking off at San Francisco again. And I'm gonna spool up my engines and my sound, and then we're gonna go. So here we are in the captain's seat of the 747. And here goes the takeoff, I guess. Sound's going up again. I'm gonna leave it here. Let's go. And again, that right there. That was a seriously amazing takeoff, as usual. I loved it. Who didn't love it, to be honest? Yeah. Beautiful. Just turn the autopilot on. Now we're all set for a flight. But we ain't doing a flight. That's coming later. Because obviously I can't just make the video a whole flight. So I'm going to go move on to our final plane. You can probably guess what it is. Yes, guys, you guessed it correct. It is the brand 777 aircraft. Absolutely amazing, beautiful. Everything about it is beautiful. So, let's go take off. Let's do this, boys. Let's do this. It's waiting for it to load. And the simulator's loading times is like 2 seconds. So, I'm just going to wait, and boom, here we are. In the cockpit of the 777. Now, here it goes. I'm going to spool my sound up. Now, prepare for this. I love this engine. So, let's go. Whew, that was a takeoff. God, I love the engine noise of these G90s. It will never, ever get old. Ever. I bet you right now. This plane will be remembered forever. And remember always to comment this video down below. No, comment what is your favorite engine noise down below. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.